Leppävaara 2022. So what is the main address here?
Huvilinnanmäki 5.
Yeah, Huvilinnanmäki 5. Slottsbacken. But this is the CKC here. It's here in Leppävaara, Alberta. Espoo. The housing has much region, also in Finland. Another Kone space with Sigma fixtures here. There's several of them here in this area.
Yeah.
Water. This one has 6 floors. It's built in 2000, and also with the newer Kone logo. So this is late 2000, or maybe out of 2000 is possible also. And this number says 70714. Turned 20 years old in 2020. It's going to be inspected in the next year, 2023. Also deserves 2 rights.
Yeah.
The fan sounds are original also.
Yeah.
But it's still late 2000 or autumn 2000.
Yeah.
Strange. It doesn't have full memory.
Yeah.
That's a simple memory.
Spectate parking wise, but maintained by Kone.
Yeah. They didn't need a full memory here.
Yeah.
These sounds are a little bit weird ones.
Yeah.
That's it, thank you very much. So let's go to the staircase here. Light switches.
That's